If you need to troubleshoot problems in Windows with slowness, crashing apps, or with conflicts, you can open Windows Services to see which services are running and start or stop them if needed. And to know more about opening a Windows Services, make sure to watch this video tutorial. Now for the first method, you can use the Run dialog box. You just have to search for Run in your computer, type in Services.msc in the text field, then click OK, or hit Enter to open Services app. Moreover, you can also use the Windows search. Simply open Start menu, type in Services, then click Services in the search results. Another option you can use is use a Task Manager. You can do it by right-clicking on your taskbar, select Task Manager, then open the Services tab. Now in here, you have to click Open Services. Lastly, use a command prompt. Simply search for command prompt with admin rights, type in Services.msc, then press N2 to execute the Services app. So those are the different ways on how to open Windows Services in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.